Hey everybody, this is Tim at Miridia Technology. Just wanted to wish you guys a happy holiday and let you know that we sent out our first batch of emails yesterday for our affiliate program, and they should be in your inbox. And we're sending out another one today, and I just want to show you how to use this affiliate email in your system. Some really simple ways to do it, and then I'll show you the email swipe file too. So if you receive the email, it should look something like this. And this is for all the Miridia Tech affiliates. And if you're not one, sign up. It's for free. We'd love to have you talk about our products. They're wonderful. They sell. There's great margins on them, and they pay you about 20% on all the products. And then we also have some really good incentives on some other special items. But this is the email you would have received, and it says, welcome to our sale. We're promoting Light Therapy, Jade Vitality, and CES Ultra. And so here's some of the messages that are included within the email. And all you have to do is you literally, you have your Facebook following or community. You can cut and paste this message right there. See, I just press Control V and I cut it on my keyboard, and I'll show you how easy I can actually just throw this on a post and post this. Say if you have a Facebook group, here's a Facebook group that I work with. It's the Miridia Technology one. So if this was yours, you could literally take that, cut it, and paste it, and that would give you a link for everybody to use, and they would be directed to the Miridia Tech website, and then from there, the people can shop and purchase, and you get the credit. And so that's as easy as it is. Let me go back into the email. So if you don't like that message, you can use, there's other messages there. So yeah, just cut and paste whichever ones you want. And those are for Jade mats. The other messages we have are for Guna Light and Fotizo Light Therapy. And then we have the CES Ultra for anxiety relief. All these are pre-written, and they have your codes in them. So if you're an affiliate and you receive the email from us, that's how they look. And you will get the credit for those. If you want to do an email campaign, you can also cut and paste our email campaigns. All you would do is just cut this email, come all the way down to the green dotted line, cut that, and then you can go into your actual email and say you want to generate an email. You would just paste that in and come up to the top of it, and you would want to have the dear customer name at the very top. So subject would be right there. Put the subject line in, and then you can take that out of the top. So you don't need to say that. If you have a pre-header within your subject line, you can also use that. If you don't have a pre-header, you would just delete it. So then you can send that out, and all of these links are also directed with your information on them. So the key here is obviously you've signed up for an affiliate with Miridia Technology, and if you have, you're receiving these emails. If you have not signed up for an affiliate account yet, please do. It's for free. There's an affiliate referral on this email. This is a great program. We send out checks every month for thousands and thousands of dollars to reps all over the world. And we appreciate your support. Happy holidays from Miridia Technology. Thanks.